In this section, we are going to look at the useful methods which will give us basic statistics on a specific series. So for example, if we want to see the count, which non-null values, count of non-null values, then we will say data frame dot count. If we want to have the average or the mean, we'll use df dot mean. Df dot max will return the highest value in each column, and df dot min will return the lowest value in each column. Df dot median will return the median, of course, and dot std will return the standard deviation, and then core will return the correlation. Now if you will see, this is similar to what we have already seen in the describe method. Let's have a quick look. So as you can see in the student.describe, we have seen that we will get the statistical information like count, mean, standard, mean, max for the entire data frame for all the columns, whichever are numeric. Now, similarly, we are given specific methods to call on each particular column and get the required detail. So starting with count, we'll say student.count. So it will return non-null values for each column in student data frame. Second, we will use mean on say score semester 1. Okay, so it will give mean of 45.8, which means the average marks of semester 1 for all the students were for 25.8. Similarly, we'll use dot max to get the maximum value. 1 second, looks like okay, I gave a wrong indentation. Sorry about it. Let's run it again. So this will give the semester 1 marks, whatever were the maximum marks achieved by a student. Similarly, we have dot mean to give the minimum marks. Okay, then dot median will give the median, and dot std will give the standard deviation. Now, if we want to get the correlation, then we'll use dot core, because in our case it is giving a table with 2 rows, 2 columns. So first one is correlation between semester and semester 1, which is of course b1, and then semester 2 and semester 2, which again would be 1. Between semester 2 and semester 1, 0.98, which is same value which you will get from semester 2 and semester 1, right? So suppose if you want to see, there's a quick check, get the data with the highest CAT score. So what we are going to do is we are simply going to compare the students whose CAT score is equal to the maximum CAT score, and then let's print it. So you'll see Asha has got the maximum score with 99.99. Next, we want to see a student with better CAT scores than average. So what we want is, we don't want to see the highest score, we want to see the score which is better than average. That means the student score, and rather than equal to check, we will have the greater than condition, and then rather than max, we will see the mean. So the formula will become student CAT score is greater than student CAT score dot mean. Okay, I've already written it for you to make it easy and to save some time, and then let's print it. 1 second, I think I made some mistake. uh, 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 uh. Okay, I'm sorry, I put it small, it should be capital. My mistake. Okay, now let's run it again. Now what's the issue? Mm, let me see. Oops, I have not changed the variable name. So in previous example, actually, I have just used df student rather than a student. So let me just change it. Sorry for the trouble. Okay, and looks like we should be good here now. Wonderful. So with this, we have all the students who have scored better than the average, and the list is below. So with this, you can just use these functions to get the necessary statistical details like count, mean, median, max, and then just use them to whichever way you want. For example, to give a conditional filter, or if you just want to get that information, you can do so. So with that, we are done with this section. Next, we are going to see how to do the sorting. Okay.